And here we are, the model shop. The first model shop of Bangkok for us. Alright, open from 9 AM to 9 PM. So yeah. Well, welcome to my first Thailand model vlog. But it's from Tamiya Premium Club. Just in here. And they got a Facebook account and a code. Alright, let's go in. I was about to say, didn't know it was open, but it is. You can see there's a lot of models in the window, but you see the same ones when we go in. But let's have a look outside. All Tamiya. They are. Shows it's still making them do this day. That's cool. Don't think I ever made that one. I mean, I did already film this back in July last year, but I never got the footage uploaded because I lost it. I deleted it by accident, and I was leaving, and well, that was life. See, I do like that tank, and I probably will buy something. They got motorbikes. That's cool. I mean, that's cool. Probably can't buy anything, or you've got to be a member. Probably why it says member club. Alright. This will be my first of many. And I've got some RC as well, mod control. Oh, that's quite cool. Cool what? Quite interesting. We've already seen them. Not bad. Loads down here. All 135 scale. Oops. They're quite cool. Huh, Santa Claus. I like it. Any prices on these? Right, 550 Thai baht for one of them. About 13 quid. But that was just that one. All different prices. Now it's models. Well, ships I mean. The artwork is still great, ain't it? I mean, look at that. Can't beat it. You know, that's quite cool. Add more bits to it. I like that sort of stuff. Alright. Nice Volkswagen. More I see. That's nice. That's quite cool. I think I made one of them. I've definitely made one of them. Nope. Alright. Didn't know they had their own tanks. I do like that one. No Italian. Well, I do know that one. I had that one. Yeah. Quite impressive, really. Right, over the other side. I think this might be the... Nope. The swordfish. Can't remember the famous bit about the swordfish. Bismarck, wasn't it? Where they sunk got a torpedo in. One of them two, anyway. Quite cool. Yeah, the Bismarck. I'm sure it was the swordfish that got a torpedo in it. That got sunk, if I remember rightly. And so did that, if I remember rightly, by the Japanese. Right there, whole control. Right, that is it. Well, I enjoyed this quick video of my first Bangkok model shop. But that is cool. Well, that is it. That's my first model shop in Bangkok. Alright, see you later. Ta-ta for now.